Hello and welcome to Ruchi Academy. Hello and welcome to Ruchi Academy. I know you definitely needed good stuff for your studies. Now your hunt is over. I am here for you with this exam special video. These MCQs are extremely important from exam point of view if you want to score high. This type of stuff you won't get it from anywhere as it covers whole chapters and frequently asked questions in the exams. So it is very important video you have ever seen. Let's get into the video.
लास्ट वीडियो पार्ट 1 वीडियो हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 40 तक किया था। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से। जिन स्टूडेंट्स ने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा है वो वीडियो के एंड में जाकर देख सकते हैं, लिंक मिल जाएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 से। Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous substance? A. Bottled water. B. Table salt. C. Pieces of paper. D. Candle. Correct answer is D. Candle. Candle is a heterogeneous mixture of wax and threads. Piece of copper is an element. Bottled water and table salt are compounds. Question number 42. Filtration can be used to separate A. Solids from solids. B. Liquids from solids. C. Liquids from liquids. D. Liquids from gases. Correct answer is B. Liquids from solids. Question number 43. One common method used to separate dyes is filtration. B. Distillation. C. Chromatography. D. Conductivity. Correct answer is C. Chromatography. Chromatography is based on the difference in absorption of different substances on the surface of a solid medium. This method is frequently used to separate colored mixture at commercial scale and also at laboratories. Question number 44. Melting points can separate materials because A. Substances melt at different temperatures. B. Molecules vibrate rapidly when heated. C. Heat causes molecules to disintegrate. D. Many substances fuse at a melting point. Correct answer is A. Melting points can separate materials because substances melt at different temperatures. Question 45. Distillation is a good separation technique for A. Solids. B. Liquids. C. Solid alloys. D. Gases. Correct answer is B. Liquids. Distillation is a separation technique used for separation of miscible liquids having different boiling point. Question 46. Solubility is a good separation technique for A. Pure metals. B. Noble gases. C. Different salts. D. Metallic alloys. Correct answer is C. Different salts. Different salts have different solubility in a particular solvent. That's why on the basis of mixture of different salts can be separated. Question 47. The metalloids include the elements A. Boron, silicon. B. Bismuth, aluminium. C. Germanium, tellurium. D. All the above. Correct answer is A. Boron and silicon, because both boron and silicon are metalloids
and bismuth is non-economic element. So the correct answer is boron and silicon because they all are metalloids. Question 48. The best malleable metal is A. Aluminium, B. Silver, C. Gold, D. Lead. Correct answer is C. Gold. Question 49. Which of the following is a colloid? A. Sugar solution, B. Urea, C. Silicic acid, D. Sodium chloride. Correct answer is C. Silicic acid. Those substances which cannot pass through membrane are termed as colloids. Example, silicic acid. Whereas sugar solution and sodium chloride solution can pass through the membrane. Question 50. Smoke is an example of A. Gas dispersed in liquid, B. Gas dispersed in solid, C. Gas dispersed in gas, D. Solid dispersed in solid. Correct answer is C. Solid dispersed in gas. Smoke consists of carbon particles solid dispersed in air gas. Question 51. Substances whose solution can readily diffuse through parchment membrane are A. Colloids, B. Crystalloids, C. Electrolytes, D. Non-electrolytes. Correct answer is B. Crystalloids. Crystalloids can easily obtained in the crystalline form and their solution diffuses rapidly through a vegetable and animal membrane. For example, parchment membrane, example sugar, urea, salts, acids, etc. Question 52. When a colloidal solution is observed under an ultramicroscope, we can see option A. Light scattered by colloidal particles. Option B. Size of the particles. Option C. Shape of the particles. Option D. Relative size. Correct answer is A. Light scattered by colloidal particles. Scattering of light from the surface of colloidal particles, Tyndall effect is observed when a colloidal solution is observed under ultra microscope. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 की ओर। आई नो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं लेकिन आपके लिए इजी बनाए हैं मैंने ताकि आपको कोई नोट्स नहीं बनाने पड़े। क्वेश्चन 53। इन अ colloidal state, particle size ranges from option A 1 to 10 angstrom, option B 20 to 50 angstrom, option C 10 to 1000 angstrom, option D 1 to 280 angstrom. And the correct answer is C 10 to 1000 angstrom. Do I need to explain? यहाँ पे साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल्स की तीन सिचुएशन है। फर्स्ट सिचुएशन में अगर साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल्स 10 एंगस्ट्रॉम से लेस है तो उसकी सिचुएशन होगी ट्रू सॉल्यूशन, राइट। और अगर पार्टिकल का साइज अगर 10 एंगस्ट्रॉम से लेके 1000 एंगस्ट्रॉम के बीच में है तो वो पार्टिकल्स कोलाइडल फॉर्म में कहलाएंगे, राइट। पार्टिकल का साइज 1000 एंगस्ट्रॉम से ज्यादा है तो वह सस्पेंशन कहलाएंगे। क्वेश्चन 54। Which of the following forms are colloidal solution in water? A. Sodium chloride, B. Glucose, C. Starch, D. Barium nitrate. Correct answer is C. Starch molecule have colloidal dimension, whereas sodium chloride, glucose, and barium nitrate are crystalloids and soluble in water. Question 55. Small liquid droplets dispersed in another liquid is called A. Gel, B. Suspension, C. Emulsion, D. True solution. Correct answer is C. Emulsion. When the dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are liquid, the colloidal system is called emulsion, like milk, vanishing cream, etc. So, C option is correct option. Question 56. Butter is a colloid formed when A. Water is dispersed in fat, B. Milk is dispersed in fat, C. Fat is dispersed in water, D. Milk is dispersed in water. Correct option is A. Because butter is obtained from milk, which itself is an emulsion of fat dispersed in water. Reverse is true for butter. So option A is correct. Question number 57. Which of the following statement is true about colloidal system? A. It carries a net electric charge. It consists of one phase only. C. It can be made out of two glasses. D. It is electrically neutral as a whole. Correct answer is D. It is electrically neutral as a whole. Question number 58. The process by which a mixture of sodium chloride and ammonium chloride can be separated is A. Sublimation, B. Chromatography, C. Evaporation, D. Distillation. Correct answer is A. Sublimation. Ammonium chloride is a sublime substance. Hence, the mixture can be separated by sublimation method. Question number 59. Which of the following is not a pure substance? A. Gold, B. Glucose, C. Pure milk, D. Water. Correct answer is C. Pure milk. Milk is not considered a pure substance because it contains a mixture of different ingredients. Milk is composed of water with fat and sugar. Question number 61. When a candle burns in air, two processes take place. First, the change A take place and then the change B take place. The following statement correspond to these changes. Choose the correct one. A. Process A changes is a chemical change. B. Process B is a chemical change. C. Both process A and B are chemical changes. D. Process A is a chemical change, whereas process B is a physical change. Correct answer is D. Process A is a chemical change, whereas process B is a physical change. Process A is a burning of candle is a chemical change, whereas process B, melting of candle wax, is a physical change. Question number 62.
Which of the following is a chemical change? A. Melting of ice. B. Burning of magnesium in air. C. Dissolution of sugar in water. D. Blowing of wind. Correct answer is B. Burning of magnesium in air. Physical change are those change which are reversible, and in such changes no new products are formed. Chemical changes are those changes which are irreversible and involves formation of new product. Burning of magnesium is a chemical change in which magnesium oxide is formed. Question number 63. Magnesium ribbon is rubbed with sandpaper before making it to burn. This reason of rubbing the ribbon is to A. Remove moisture condensed over the surface of ribbon. B. Generate heat due to exothermic reaction. C. Remove magnesium oxide formed over the surface of magnesium. D. Mix silicon from sandpaper with magnesium from lowering ignition temperature of the ribbon. Correct answer is C. Removed magnesium oxide formed over the surface of magnesium. Magnesium gets corroded with the layer of oxide. In order to remove the layer of oxide, it is rubbed. Question number 64. Which of the following pairs of colloidal solution have dispersed phase as liquid and dispersing medium as gas? A. Fog mist. B. Buttermilk. C. Fog smoke. D. Smoke foam. Correct answer is A. Fog mist. Because fog and mist are colloidal solutions which have dispersed phase as liquid and dispersed medium as gas. Question number 65. A liquid X is found to scatter a beam of light but leaves no residue when passes through the filter paper. Identify the category to which liquid X can be classified. A suspension. B. Colloidal solution. C. True solution. D. Oil. Correct answer is colloidal solution. Colloidal solution scattered a beam of light but leaves no residue when passes through a filter paper. Question number 66. Which of the following obey the law of constant proportion in their formation? A. Mixtures. B. Compounds. C. Elements. D. Colloids. And the correct answer is B. Compounds. Law of constant composition states that all samples of a given chemical compounds have same element composition by mass. Question number 67. Shaving cream produces foam. What kind of colloid is shaving cream? A. Liquid dispersed in gas. B. Gas dispersed in liquid. C. Solid dispersed in liquid. D. Solid dispersed in gas. And the correct answer is B. Gas dispersed in liquid. Question number 68. A molecular formula is a short form representation of X
Identify X from the following: A. A compound. B. An element. C. A mixture. D. An alloy. Correct answer is A. A compound. Compound is made up of two or more elements. Molecular formula is only applied on compounds. Question number 69. A student was asked to mix the white of an egg with water and stir well. What did he observe? A. A transparent solution is formed. B. A translucent solution is formed. C. Egg white floats on the surface of the water. D. Egg white settles down at the bottom. Everyone knows the answer. The correct answer is B. A translucent solution is formed. Question 70. The information in the box gives the properties of particles of certain type of matter. The particles do not have fixed position. The particles move freely and slide past over one another. The particles are held together by fairly strong attractive forces. The particles of which of the following have the given properties? A. Milk and water. B. Iron and wood blocks. C. Nitrogen and carbon dioxide. D. A tank of hydrogen and bottle of orange juice. The correct answer is A. Milk and water, because it will form a colloidal solution. Question number 71. Identify the element from which among the following? A. Fog. B. Methane. C. Tin. D. Soil. The correct answer is C. Tin, because tin is element and its symbol is Sn. Question number 72. Question 72. Identify an emulsion from among the following: A. Ruby. B. Sponge. C. Butter. D. Jellies. Correct answer is C. Butter, because butter is a fermented cream and made up of milk protein and water. Hence it is an emulsion. Question 73. The particles of X are observed to undergo Brownian motion. What kind of substance is X? A. Aqueous solution. B. True solution. C. Suspension. Colloidal solution. Correct answer is D. Colloidal solution, because colloidal particles of solution show zigzag movement. Question 74. A solution is made by dissolving 60 grams of sodium chloride in 360 grams of water. Find the mass percentage of solution. A. 15.76%. B. 17.56%. C. 14.28%. D. 18.36%. The correct answer is 14.28%, because mass of solute sodium chloride is equal to 60 grams. Mass of solvent water is equal to 360 grams. We know the formula: mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So 60 plus 360 is equal to 420 grams. Mass percentage of solution. In this we put the formula of solution. Mass percent solution is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100 is equal to 60 grams by 420 grams into 100 is equal to. That's the correct answer. Question 75. Which substances are incorrectly placed in the following table? Liquid mixtures, olive oil and water, lighter liquid olive oil, heavier liquid water, benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Benzene is lighter liquid, carbon tetrachloride is heavier liquid. Kerosene and water. Water is lighter liquid, kerosene oil is heavier liquid. Alcohol and water. Alcohol is lighter liquid, water is heavier liquid. Correct answer is C, kerosene oil and water, because kerosene is lighter than water. Question 76. In which of the following is centrifugation method employed? A. Oil, dairy and sugar industries. B. Textile industries. C. Nuclear plant. D. Rubber industry. Correct answer is A. Oil, dairy and sugar industry, because centrifugation method is based on centripetal force for the sedimentation of heterogeneous mixture. So finally, that's all for today. We have finished MCQ of this chapter. अब आपको स्टडी नोट्स नहीं बनाने पड़ेंगे MCQ के लिए. इन MCQs को पढ़ के आप एग्जाम्स की अच्छी प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं. ये वीडियो पार्ट 2 है. पार्ट 1 अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो यहीं आपको एंड में लिंक शो हो रहा होगा, आप देख सकते हैं. ये वीडियो बहुत आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी क्योंकि कोविड-19 चल रहा है, लॉकडाउन का टाइम है और स्टूडेंट्स को स्टडी मटेरियल मिलने में बहुत इशू हो रहा है. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी आपको ये नोट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो कमेंट में यस लिखिए, वीडियो अच्छी ना लगे तो कमेंट में नो लिखिए. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. फिर मिलते हैं एक और हेल्पफुल वीडियो के साथ.